You just spent 40 minutes updating our support email in 23 different blocks across 4 agents. Your CTO slacks you. Hey, actually, use the phone number instead. I'm about to save you from ever doing that again. Here's what kills momentum. Repetitive text that needs to live in a dozen places. Contact info, legal disclaimers, CTAs, human handover messages. You copy-paste it everywhere. Then when something changes, you're hunting through every journey, every block, hoping you caught them all. There's a better way. Snippets. Write once, use everywhere. Update once, syncs instantly. You create a reusable message template, drop it anywhere in your agents, and when you need to change it, boom, one edit updates every single instance automatically. Let me show you exactly how it works. Head to Library, Snippets, Create New. First, give it a clear name, something like Human Handover or Contact CTA. Make it obvious what it does. You'll see a snippet token gets auto-generated. That's what you'll type inside your blocks. You can customize it if you want. Add 2 to 4 tags. Things like handover, support. Trust me, when you've got 30 snippets, you'll be glad you did this. Now here's where it gets good. Variance. Don't make your AI sound like a robot repeating the same line. Add 3 to 4 different ways to say the same thing. Want to talk to someone on our team? Here's our email. Ready to chat with a real human? Shoot us a message. Let's connect you with our team. Email us. Your AI rotates through them automatically, keeps things fresh. Now to actually use it, head into any journey or block. For example, in your general actions, set a condition like wants human contact equals yes. Action type, text message. Then instead of typing out your message, just select your snippet from the dropdown. Done. Same thing works in journey blocks, text responses, anywhere you need consistent messaging. Test it. Works perfectly. This is leverage. One edit, infinite updates. Legal disclaimer changes? Update once. New contact info? Update once. Rebrand your CTA? Update once. Your AI stays consistent, your updates take seconds, and you never duplicate work again. Snippets are live on Magic Blocks. Go create your first one. Build your agent for free at magicblocks.ai.